Take a bite.
Take it.
Can't see bad.
Go
He's
ahead.
done it before. Do it in.
He's scared now.
No, he's not.
You'll get it.
He's like,
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
Ah.
You got a little blue.
Let's take a whole hand.
He's working his way
Get
through
it.
it.
No one's going to have to dunk his head in.
If you need to
He's much cleaner than you were.
Now,
she
if
had
he
it all
gets too messy,
Oh,
grab a hose and hose him off.
We will. That's why we're up here. If you're next to him, you know you get hosed down too.
Kenzie.
I'm not even dirty. I took a shower with her.
Did you take a shower today?
Last night.
Was it a girls' night last night or something?
Girls' night.
Oh, wow.
We watched Snow
Are you
White.
going to dig in?
Did you?
Are you just going to keep sticking your fingers in it? Or eat the frosting off?